Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups on Google Chrome. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then click on Settings. Click the Privacy and Security tab. Click on Site Settings. Scroll down the page and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. You must check the Don't Allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects box on this page. If this box is checked and you are still seeing pop-ups, a website may have been whitelisted. Check here, and if any site is listed, click the three dots to remove it. I hope this tutorial video on how to block pop-ups on Google Chrome was helpful. If so, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a nice day.